This is the ring charger. Here are the two charging bars that correspond to those on the ring. This is the USB-C port. And here, let's get this started. So I'm gonna plug that in here, plug this in the wall switch. So when it's time to charge the ring, here's what you're gonna do. You basically just wanna line up those strips with these strips and it'll snap right in. It doesn't matter which direction you do it in, meaning that you can kind of take it off, flip it around, and it'll snap again like that. If you have this on your bedside and you put it on to charge in the middle of the night or something, and you don't have as much visibility into it, you can always just do it by feel. You're rotating it around, it'll snap pretty securely into place. Now when it's time to charge the switch cover, all you have to do is stick it in like this, right? Okay, how do you know when it's time to charge either item? So the switch cover kind of behaves like a fire alarm. It doesn't make an annoying sound, but instead you'll see a little flashing light every few seconds when it's running low on charge, a little kind of like the chirp in a fire alarm. That's how you know. Now with the ring, one thing you'll notice is there's a tiny little red light in there when you press the button. And that's just to let you know that basically it's working, right? If you are using the ring and you think it might be running low on charge, one way to check is to look at the little IR band, press the button. If you don't see a red light, it's time to charge. Once you put the ring on the ring charger, it will breathe a little bit just to let you know it's charging. Here's a close-up of that breathing mechanism that you'll see. The red light will breathe, and then once it's fully charged, the red light will just be on all the time.